It is now December 30 and I've been invited to a White Elephant potluck, so unfortunately I didn't plan ahead, so I still need to get something to bring to the potluck. But other than that, I already have my present, so at least it's a good thing. Yeah, now the potluck was originally planned for a little bit closer to Christmas, but a lot of people couldn't make it, so they rescheduled it for December 30, just in case you guys are wondering, because it's a little bit odd to have a gift exchange this far out of Christmas, but it seems like it's gonna work out and there's gonna be a lot of people there. I'll take you guys with me. So we are now here at the store and let's see what I come up with for the potluck. Hopefully the video's not as shaky anymore. We'll see how this goes, because I fixed my tripod just the other day. They have one left. There's two. I'll take one. When is it expiring? Yeah, it's good. There we go. It's not gonna fit, so we'll put it out. Finally made it a little bit late, so hopefully the party has not completely started yet. Hey, what's going on? Was I too late?
No.
Is anyone here?
Everybody's always late.
Oh, okay.
There's no people.
Alright. Excellent. What are you doing here, Jack? What is
Breaking the teeth.
Tea.
breaking the? Oh, is that a?
Yeah, one of those.
Lounging. You have a pineapple and strawberry.
Technically, this guy's taking the leak. Pineapple's like,
That's
I don't know
awesome.
what it's called, but there's teapot right there. It's awesome.
That's
I need
awesome.
to boil water or you
Oh,
burn
sorry,
my
sorry. That's great. Yeah. It looks like he's enjoying it. It's like a hot tub.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then he
pretty
gets
much.
farted.
No,
Is that the bubbles?
It's taking a leak. It's taking a leak.
Let's see the bubbles again.
That's awesome.
Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you.
Yeah, so Joy thought that I don't know how to wash my clothes. This is how it's supposed to look like. You know, I've lived alone, so I've lived on my own for 3 years, so hopefully I know how to wash my clothes by now.
Looks like you
I washed them with red. Yeah, no, this is how it's supposed
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause
You can peek around corners if you want.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. I cannot see you again.
Yeah, he's like a southern restaurant.
Wait,
You're so cute.
weapon.
I can weapon, bro. I got no
There's no weapons. There's no weapons. What am I supposed to do?
Is that
Oh, that's good.
Thank you. I know.
Wait, what?
It's like you can put your iPad on that. It's like a stand.
Perfect.
That only applies to gender.
There was a training.
Oh, Oregon Trail. Oh, that's a good game.
You can start bullet journaling like we
Yep.
There are the strawberry things.
Dysentery.
Why was the girl's dress?
Oh,
you already opened it.
Furniture store. Whatever.
I didn't know that.
Oh, what is
No.
Flowering tea set. Oh, mine's baby blue bag.
All right. Oh, game night shots.
Oh, that looks deadly.
Let's shoot some ladders.
Oh,
How do you play shoots and ladders?
Popcorn machine.
oh.
Movie night.
What?
Flowering tea set.
I like tea, but well, you
go
can
home
steal
with
it
that, dude.
yourself.
Panda. Drop the light.
Gentlemen did.
Oh, Stanley.
Behind, yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
Right now.
What?
Game of Thrones.
Oh yeah, I got it.
It's broken.
No, this guy. It's like.
Star Wars.
Legos.
Dude, Legos are expensive.
Yeah.
Time print. Oh, that's awesome.
Look, it even says heavy.
Oh, it's from Amazon. So, oh, what the heck is that? Oh, dude, that's awesome. That is awesome. We're getting honest tea drunk tonight. Yeah, let's do it. Oh,
I just saw this.
that is.
It's checker shots.
Dude, that is horrible. How many shots is that?
That's a lot of shots.
Wait, who got the other one?
I got shoot.
Was that a shower curtain?
Swag.
Oh! Oh, okay, I see what. Our local Reno teams. Oh, okay.
IE example right here.
What's on Star Wars this year?
What is that?
Shot glasses?
Is everybody on
Is that shot glasses? What is it? What is it? Shot glasses?
I have no idea. Make popsicles. Oh wait, I can't give it to you.
Oh!
Ice pop mold.
13.
Right here. Stanley.
No, I need tea.
Michael,
Oh, what is it? GameStop? What? What?
What is it?
Oh!
Check if it's a gold Power Ranger. Is it the golden one or another one? Check it. No, it's open it. I can't see. It's a yellow ranger. Yeah, but if it's golden.
Is your gloves white?
It's metallic. It's metallic.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's yellow.
Is that a good thing? Yes. So,
is that good or bad?
there's a second one. And it's I haven't seen that movie yet.
That witch?
What is that?
What is it? What is that? Oh!
Hello, Sanrio.
Steal the last one, steal something else. Yeah, just open the last one.
Is this tea good?
It is good.
I drink it every day.
It is really good.
I know what we're talking about.
Stanley's over there.
Seriously, Hannah, this is your chance.
No!
Now you get to see one.
It's done. That one's done. That's been stolen twice already.
Okay, I'm gonna steal this.
What is?
What is it?
Oh, a speaker.